Maybe fields and our wine. Maybe you can go to Kutja and visit ours.
What are best wineries around here?
Really, I don't know, but I'm sure if you go that way, that you will find some good wine.
Which way is Kutja?
Honestly, I don't know.
Rent a bike.
Well, we have the judo club, football.
But something I can do over here.
You ride bike.
Where I could rent a bike, for example.
What?
Where I could rent a bike, for example.
No.
So I cannot rent a bike.
How I know? No renting bike in our town.
Good sights to see. What is interesting in Požega?
Nothing.
What would you recommend from museums, monuments?
You have on the main square, you have a museum, and that's like straight forward till the end of the street, and then you turn left and you go again straight forward, and you go until you get to the, it's kaže pješačka put. And when you get there to the square, you go right, and then you go forward, and then...
Could you repeat this? I have forgotten.
I'm not tourist guide.
What can I do in Požega?
Drink.
Besides drinking, I like sports.
You can play tennis on the center.
Where I can play tennis?
Recreation center.
Where is this recreation center?
Far away.
You go down the street, turn left, and you can see. You can, yes, see dummy.
And can I eat soup around there?
Sopa! Oh, yeah, no, super.
Where could I eat soup or some normal meal?
Gavran, krčma Gavran.
And are there any sport activities to do around here? Where could I rent a bike?
Yes, you can somewhere in wood, I don't know.
But can I rent a bike around here?
Se može najmi tu bicikli? Yes, pitaj u Luksu, bote. Yes.
And what are interesting monuments around here to see? What would you recommend?
Pomagaj, bote. Šta se može biti ne.
And are there any interesting cultural events, for example concerts around here?
Zlatne žice, Slavonije.
What is this Zlatne žice?
Zlatne žice.
How do I come to this Mamma Mia?
Sad je. Nemam. I don't know. I ti onda.
Can you give me directions?
Clara, Aiden. Clara, brilliant, speak English, dai Clara.
Allora, secondo me la prima cosa che tutti devono vedere è la chiesa dei frati francescani, ecco questa qua, che è stata costruita, mi sembra, nel XIV secolo, è stata occupata e distrutta anche dai turchi quando sono stati qui nel XV secolo, mi sembra. Questa è la prima cosa, è certo che dovete fare anche una preghiera per voi, per le vostre famiglie e anche per noi frati, che siamo bravi frati e brave persone. Poi la seconda cosa da vedere, ecco, non lo so che altro, ecco questa strada là, principale. Dobro vino, joj, nemam pojma da ima dobro vina. Pa mislim na tu dućanu Konzum možete kupiti dobro vino.
A ne znate recimo neku vineriju?
Ima u Kutjevu, to je tu blizu, onaj Krauthacker, to je kao poznata vinarija.
A bi znali objasniti kako dođete vineriju?
Ma nemam pojma.
Što biste još preporučili nekom turistu?
Pa preporučio bi mu da dođe svakako u Požegu, ne da vidi nešto posebno, nego su ljudi ovdje prekrasni. zaista su prekrasni. Evo, godinu dana sam ovdje i tako iskrene, jednostavne, otvorene ljude nisam do sad vidio u 10 godina što sam fratar.
Restaurant Girgindol.
Where is this restaurant?
Not far from here. You must go right and then turn again right. It's not so far.
So I go right and then I go right.
Right.
Wait, and that is on the main square.
Then you turn to left. And
so
again go right and right. It's not so far.
What is souvenir around here in this town? What is your trademark?
I think that you got no trademark here.
Je kunt gaan naar de kathedraal van Požega en naar verschillende restaurants zoals Déjà Vu Café. Daar gaan veel jongeren naartoe. Dus dat is meestal voor de jongeren bedoeld. Voor oudere mensen een goede park. Naast de kathedraal achter.
Gdje se ovdje može dobro pojesti, recimo?
Gavran.
Kako bi mi sad objasnila?
Gavran krčma.
Kako bi mi objasnila gdje se to nalazi?
Als je de hoofddingen hebt, dan ga je naar links. Dan rechts, onmiddellijk de eerste straat en rechtdoor en dan ziet je onmiddellijk Gavran krčma.